Alrighty. Hey, it's Indy! Quan Mills? The hell? What name is that? I wonder. What up, Indy? How you doing, bud? Welcome to the party. Oh, you officially moved. Fantastic. You're Hackintosh. It took you over 30 hours to text from your computer? Whoa. That's a lot of hours. Oh. Right. It can be. Though I've been doing it for years now. And I have, you know, everything the way I like it. So I've gotten used to doing many of Hackintosh setups. How's it going? How you doing, man? How's the move been? I'm guessing grueling. I know, moving can be rough. I, on the other hand, have been working on something very important for the future of the Orbem game engine. Orbem game engine, the OGE. Did a little bit of work off stream again. Got a little bit going. I mean, we already finished Wanderer. Wanderer mode's good to go. But used 1 terabyte hard drive. Had lots to editing. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Why? I'm sure you have your reasons. You needed to get Linux running on your Mac or something, right? I'm sure there are many reasons you need to do that. And I'm glad you have the power. Good job, my friend. Dual boot away. Try boot coming soon. So you'll notice here there's a new button called Level Selector. Wish I could put effects on my voice. I guess I could, but then I'd have to run GarageBand through OBS, and then I could add effects. Hey, Zach! Zach Attack on a Tuesday. Welcome. Welcome, my friend. Glad to have you. Yes, Level Selector. This is what I worked on off stream for a little bit. When you click this button, shit goes down. Boo! And look what we have here. Level Selector. So now when you're in dev mode, what's that metal thing on your lips? Piercings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to be exact on my lips. Yeah, so now you can choose levels in dev mode. I'm still getting it working. Kind of works, but there's something wrong with entering a new area for some reason. The images are loading weird. So like, I can go ahead and talking to himself. What? How's it going, Fonk? I never talk to myself. There are at least 3 people listening to me right now. Click on this button. Takes you to this level. So now when I'm testing, especially when I have like 1,000 levels in this game, when I'm testing and I want to jump to a level and add things and move things around, I can just use the level selector in the start screen. So that'll be good. You sent pics of the progress. Wait, what do you have? Your Wi-Fi really hard because you had to do Wi-Fi through USB tethering to my PC. Whoa. You sent pics? Alright, let's take a look. Oh man. What's happening? Thanks, Zach. Appreciate it. Yeah, well, it's getting there. I mean, this is the local site, but you can play this right now. If you are so inclined, you can go to orbem.games right now. And you don't even have to log in. I made it so you can play it log outable, but you lose your game progress. So create an account's easy. It's Google sign in. But yeah, it's basically just, you know, this. It's based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, The Harmonian Chronicles. And book 1 and 2 are out now. I'm writing book 3. There's going to be 4 books in the series. But Escape to Orbem is starting in the Orbem, the first game. So that'll be fun. Yeah, it's just an RPG. Fighting, puzzles, very epic intro movies. Here's a new game that I broke. Wait, why did I break this? Oh yeah, I was trying to set... I have to reset up the character, main character. You'll play the game in 30 minutes? Ooh, okay, well I better get it ready in 30 minutes then. You have 2 videos? Holy crap. Alright, well let me look at your pictures first. Oh yeah, look at main character didn't save. Wait, what the hell just happened? Wait, did I? Uh-oh. Did I push up the database earlier? Shit, I did. I'm so stupid. Well, good thing I pulled down the database before that. That was dumb. Well, I guess that's fine. I didn't do anything crazy. But yeah, the main character needs to be Graham now. I made it so now you don't have to call your main character MC. You can actually define the main character in the global options here. So you can choose which one is your main character, just like you can do your starting area and the game page. So that will make things a little bit more dynamic. And then, yeah, now you can, hey, look, it's Graham in a little animation of him. So here's Graham. I still need to work on the recoloring of his walking animations. Oh, hey, it's Carol. Cutscene works great. She doesn't walk. I don't walk. She gives me 50 bucks. Thank you. And she still avoids me if I walk in her way. Oh yeah, NPC wandering. Let's go. And you have all the power in the world to break plants. Fuck that plant. I have the game muted. I actually need to add sound effects, a field to add sound effects for interactions too. That'll be very useful. Out of the way, Carol. I gotta collect some shit. Alright, anyways. Let's look at your pictures. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. That's a Mac. Next. Doing stuff. Stuff is happening. A lot of failures. Oh, there you go. Got something set up. Like that bicep you got going on there too. I don't know what that's all about. I feel like you left that in on purpose. Alright, here we go. AI of Graham speaking was odd. Yeah, I was thinking about actually removing the mouth from the animation, because that's the only thing that looks really weird. The rest of it looks, I mean, as if I tried to animate the pixel character myself. Yeah, if it doesn't, who cares? The voiceover will make it feel better. Oh yeah, Afghanistan. Creating a new account. You got 16 gigs. Wait, what's your processor? Unknown. I like that your processor's unknown. Welcome to Mac. All right, and that's it. Very cool, man. What's going on with the guy's computer? He just got his first Mac. So he's dual booting Windows and Mac OS. And I guess it was really hard to set up. Which is cool. But your MacBook still has only Mac OS. Oh wait, what are you dual booting? What are you dual booting then? Oh, you're dual booting on your PC Mac OS. Oh, okay. I misread that then. My bad. Me bad. And then we got this dude. We gotta talk to him and then walk away. Okay. Let's get level selection working. It should be live now. It is... Oh, I gotta log in. I am logged in. Wait, where's dev mode then? Let's push up. And not the database this time. Yeah, I want to try it on production, just on the off chances there's just something wrong with the images. But we'll figure that out. Your PC has Mac OS and Windows. Oh, okay. It was fun just to see it working. Yeah, it's really cool. I like it. Fantastico. Okay, well, in the meantime, I want to test, because I kind of feel like going to a new area is broken in general. It's not because of the level selector. So I want to test and see what the hell's going on with the level select. How to do a weird thing with kernel and stuff, making my own operating system because you have that error. That makes sense. Interessante. Orbem presents. Okay. Yes, Graham, we love your video. Out of the way. I need to try to go to the area. Oh no, I gotta talk to... God damn it. You subscribed? Hell yeah, Zach. Well, if you have to jump off anytime soon, I hope you get to see another one. Now that you're gonna be notified. Should be a fun time. What the fuck? Why is his image not... Oh yeah, I forgot. I fixed the cutscene avatar images that show next to the thing, but I have to save all of the cutscene info using Mac. Oh, that means that production's gonna be fucked up too. I might have to change that. You just gotta reinstall Linux and try boot system. You cray boo. That's all I can say. Try boot is crazy town. All right, I get it. Now the blockade should be gone. I should be able to go to the next level. Now, if we go here and there is no table, and then I refresh and there is a table, then we know that it's the new area client side functionality that's broken. Hey, appreciate it, Zach. We got a lot going on. We got books, music, games. We got 3D printing sometimes. Yeah, see, no table here. But if I just stand here, my coordinates are saved. And if I refresh and I continue, there is a table. So there's something going on with the images in new areas. So that's good to know. That actually reminds me of today's sponsor, Flex Keys. Do you want more dexterous and agile fingers? Are you a programmer, musician, or rock climber? Or something that uses your fingers? Do you use your fingers? Flex Keys. These are the funnest way to build finger strength, combat arthritis, and boredom. Because man, this is this is a major fidget toy as well. And the best part is, if you like weird fucking colors like green and blue, you can get these in that color. and the keys and the shell are interchangeable. So you can get them in any color combination. Technically, you could get each key in a different color too. I do not have that as an option, but only $4.99. We ship anywhere in the US. Best part is, order it while I'm streaming, and I will actually produce the product for you live, and you can watch it. That's the best part. All right, I'll see you when you get back, Zach. What macOS version am I running? Oh shit, I don't think I've updated in a second. I think I'm on Sequoia 15.4.1. Maybe that is the newest, actually. I don't remember. Sequoia 15.4.1. Well, that would be it. All right, back to this. Okay, so we know this is an issue. We don't know why. Oh, it's 15.5 newest? Okay, well, I'm fairly close, I guess. Okay, well, if this table... Okay, so what's wrong? Let's go to the actual enter new area function. This is where all the magic happens when you go from one area to another, client side. We know it's working not client side. So that means there might be something wrong with the... No, it's not. It's not working only on client side. So it's not the actual get HTML function. But let's see what's being returned. Because I feel like some bullshit's happening. And it must be something I changed that I just never fixed again. I never updated or something. I don't think it's a... Maybe it's a style thing? You think it's a style thing? No. I think the best thing I can do right now is get all the data. Next Max over 26 is supposedly going to be named Tahoe? What? I thought they already had a Tahoe. Have they not had a Tahoe yet? Yeah, I used to go to Lake Tahoe. Yeah, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. One of the ritzier mountain towns. We had a cabin in Big Bear, which is kind of similar. Tahoe is a little farther. No Tahoe. Alright, let's see what we got here. Zach's back. Nothing better than a little Zach back attack. Alright, we'll let this compile. Thank you. Trying to play it perfect. But I can't do it. Not at least all the way through. We'll get there one day. And I'll have it on stream, so it'll be recorded. And I'll be like, look, I can play that song perfectly. I guess I could clip it together with a bunch of other tries I tried. Hey! You love to play Roblox 65! It's a me! They're gonna make all Apple products on the same version number. iOS not gonna do it. What? Really? Are you just yanking my chain, or is that a real thing? That would be really dumb. I think. Could they all be on the same version? Or is just the same version number? That's interesting. I think so. I think it's interesting. Well, fantastic. Good for you, Mac. It's real? Just the same number? Okay. You change your profile? Your profile looks questionable. No confusion. I don't know if there would be no confusion. Because eventually they're not going to be on the same version. So it's just going to start at 26, and then they're all going to be different numbers after that, you know? I don't know, whatever. I was Danielle. Oh, and Milan, and now it's wow. That's a lot of different profiles, but hey, you made it, and that's all that matters. Appreciate you stopping by. All right, so we're gonna see what the hell new map items is coming up with. That means I got a restart. I guess technically I could use level selector, and that would give me the same bullshit. So let's see what we get. You love to play Roblox? Hell yeah. My daughter loves Roblox as well. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of Roblox. I mean, I understand. I know it doesn't sugarcoat that it's a money grab, but the fact that it's so open source and like anybody can make a game and it's a distribution of that, it's pretty freaking cool. And, you know, they don't have to be the coolest games in the world. They could just be fun. So, yeah, I'm a fan. Yeah, Dandy's World is, like, #1 right now. That takes over most of our playing right now. Dandy's World and, what's another one that we were playing a lot? I mean, before that, it was Blade Ball. That took over our lives for a while, too. But, yeah, Dandy's World is pretty much #1. She's really into Cookie Run Kingdom too, the mobile game. So those are the two that are running her life at the moment. And so I know everything about Dandy's World now. Okay, so I think the issues are going to be coming from this data here, the map items. So let's see if we can do like a JSON decode. Online. Parse my JSON, please. Apple released new. Okay. You should try Grow a Garden. I've heard it's really cool. Yeah. Last thing I saw about Grow a Garden. Why is it saying I'm in France? It was you could like pay to steal people's shit, and I thought that was funny. All right, JSON parser. You're not gonna work. Apparently you're in France. Unexpected white. What? This actually should be correct. So what you doing? Format. Parse. I wonder why it's not working. Position 3. Wait, is this not parsing it? Oh shit, okay. Apparently I didn't like it being wrapped. You tried Roblox? Oh, your friends like Dandy's World and Cookie Run Kingdom? Yeah, it's very popular right now. You think Pet Simulation? Yeah. Yeah, Brookhaven takes over people's lives too. Username is Daniel A 07365. Nice. Pet Simulator. Yeah, Pet Simulator definitely fell off, I think. Right. Yeah, it's fun though. Definitely good time killers, if anything. Map cutscenes. But that Blush Studios, man, they're doing something right. They have people obsessed with the lore. I mean, the amount of YouTube videos and fan art and stuff is insane. This is the map SVG. This is the map cutscenes. So I'm more worried about this. So why is this not working? We have a position, left 2000. We have the ID. Data type none. Okay, well let's first look at the actual map. And see what's going on here. Map item. Oh, I was right. It is the styles. There's no map item styles. Error. Why? What? What just happened? Where are the map item styles? Right here. Oh yeah, shit, there's no styles. Oh wait, there is styles. No. No. Yeah, there's no styles. Okay, well that's the problem. Let's go figure out what the hell I did to the map item styles. Ooh, that would be a really easy fix if that was it. You get it from here. Which comes from here. Styles and scripts. What did I do wrong? What did I do to you? What did I do to you? We got the explore points. That's fine. You still got 296 followers. I know. Maybe 99 average across all my classes. Fuck. That's great. You're out this month, right? In a couple weeks? You go to school? This is my kids last week. Your favorite game on Roblox is Forsaken. I have heard of that. Wait, I think I just played that. Hold on, let's boot up the blocks. What did I just play? Oh shit. Continue. School time horror. Oh yeah, that was actually not that bad. Oh yeah, Threadville was kind of weird. Froggy was fun. No, maybe I didn't play it. I thought I did. I guess not. Yeah, Danny's World is pretty much the main. Oh, here's Forsaken. Recommended for you. Yeah, what is this about again? You're in eternal prison, step into the realm, blah blah blah. Survivor. Oh, that's right. It's like Survivors Killers thing. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Those types of games give me anxiety. 26th. Yes, I still have the 296 followers. Whatever, man. Apparently Twitch didn't catch them as all bots, and I guess I'll take the inflated count for now and just look super cool, even though I only have 2 viewers. Oh, let's get the stream avatars going. What was I thinking? Oh, you sent some pictures of the new apartment? I don't know if you want me showing all of them on stream, but I kind of did already. Ooh, nice setup. Hell yeah. Nice. It's a great little space. In New York. That's a lot of space for New York. Forsaken. Oh yeah, there we go. Stream avatar going. Okay, so what did I break? We have explore height, width. Okay, here we go. Background URL. Weapon. Point. Am I missing a post type? Point. Enemy. Characters. What else has? No, I guess that's it. Wait, what about signs and stuff? Oh, those aren't points though. Background map URL. Is that what I screwed up? Get post thumbnail. Export point ID. No, I guess not. Point. If it's an enemy, otherwise it's a map item. No. This should be fine. Point type. Okay, that's just a class. Post name is fine. Map item data genre. Yeah, those are all fine too. Background should be fine. Yeah, I guess so. I don't really see anything wrong with this. So it must mean that the items coming in are wrong? You're not in New York. Oh. Oh, New York City. Yeah, that's right. You're just in that state. You're not in New York, New York. Oh, nice. Perfect. It's good to have nice neighbors. Let's see what we got here. Oh, you gotta go? Alright. For sure, Zach. I'll catch you on the next one, my friend. Thanks for jumping on. Am walking. Yeah. Rude. Rude people. Color or die? Work at Pizza Place. Cheese Escape. Dress to impress. Oh, yeah, man. All I hear is about DTI. DTI, DTI. You want to see all my DTI dresses? Look at my new theme. I only play with baddies. And last is Grow a Garden. I might have to try that Grow a Garden. Apparently everybody's digging on that. Okay. So something is cataclysmically wrong. Why you no work? You work? That's a character. Map cutscene. Why would that be the map cutscene? Value. What the hell? That's just me punching down. Wait, what? Map cutscenes. Wait, what? Doesn't make any sense. Why would me punching down be in map cutscenes? Something is wrong. The data here is weird. Why? Yep, 1 minute tops. Isn't it Matt Rose Monday? Oh wait, he changed that, didn't he? All. Alright, let's try this again. Let's leave the game. Let's do level selector, and this time let's get it from the network. Where is it? Is it this? No. Oh yeah, here we go. So here's the data. Response. So the weird part is the map item is correct. It's the table. It's a foreground item. Yeah, so all this is correct. And then, yeah, the class is good. Like all the HTML. And then there's a character. Wait, who's the character? Salverson CEO Office map item. Is it him? Oh, I guess I have him on here too somewhere. I just probably have him wrong. And they have the indicator. Indicator. Mini game. Oh, I think that's just yeah, that's empty. And then we randomly have in the map cutscenes, we have a cut. Is it because of this? Is it the cutscenes that's screwing this up, maybe? Because we're not getting characters and we're not getting styles. Man, I don't fucking know. That's really weird. It's June, so he's doing sequels to videos. Oh, okay. Got it, got it. What's my name on Roblox? It's hard to... I don't remember how it's spelled. It's... this guy. What's his name? How do I get my name? Nope, I don't know what I'm doing. It's Scarlett's dad. Oh, right here. Yeah. SCRLTSDAD. Scarlett's dad. I'm following one person. And that's Scarlett. Hey, but I found piercings, so that was cool. She nailed it. Alright, Indy, I'll see you when you get back. Yeah, we need to figure this out. Because on load, it's fine. Which makes me think there's something wrong with... So that's the main character. Maybe I screwed something up with the main character. Area. Explore area. Name. Position. So that's the current one we're going to. Maybe the position isn't coming out. No, it's fine. Main character is the name. Yeah, that should be fine. Post type is explore character. Okay, cool. That is the MC. And then... yeah, we got the ID. So I already fixed all this. This is all good. The problem is the data coming in for this is wrong. Why? Why, I ask? Alright, let's try to troubleshoot this some more. So, console logging this out is not helping me. So, I need to actually figure out what the nut is happening. Position is fine and current user ID seems to be fine. This is going through, I'm getting things. I'm just getting them wrong. So it has to be the actual, the rest route call that I'm making. Let's actually investigate that. So we'll go to my rest routes, which are right here. We need to go to area, getting event by location. So get Orbem area. So in here, we're getting position, post type, cool. That's the current area. We are getting the area's ID. Checking if it's a cutscene. Okay. Return user ID, so that's my ID, otherwise use current. That's fine. Oh, can I tell you again? It's SCRLTSDAD. Sorry. Scarlet's dad. SCRLTSDAD. You can scroll back if you want, I think. So that's good. So then we're getting into this. This is where shit's falling off the rails. I don't know why. Post type's fine. Seems like cutscenes are definitely not coming in correctly, which is weird. But I'm passing cutscenes. Alright, Indy's back. And definitely style scripts is getting screwed. Style scripts is getting screwed. Nice. I'm the best. Okay, let's var dump and see what the hell we're getting in some of this. This will be pretty telling. Burp. Burp. Alright, here we go. So we're getting a lot of stuff. So we're getting the table. Wait, is that it? That's not a lot of stuff then. There's two. We're getting the table, and then we're getting... what is this? Salverson CEO office. We're getting the character Salverson. Which is correct. Did you know that the D key is labeled D because when you press the D key, it types D? D. That's the D key. D, D. That's D. And a little D sharp. Okay, so this seems like it's coming in correctly. So that's good. But if that's the case, then this should be using these. And then we should be getting some shit. And yet, we're getting nothing. Screenshot it. Wait, can you show me your name on Roblox? Oh, screenshot it. Screenshot. Oh, I already closed it. Let me reopen it. And go here. And go here. And then zoom in super big so you all can friend me. Even though you probably will never catch me. You'll never catch me. And then we'll zoom in. There you go. Now you screenshot my screen. And then you'll be able to remember it. Okay. I don't know why. Technically that var dump was fine. Even though the payload... Yep, CEO office. User ID 1. That was good to go. Let's try again. Joe. Alright, and again, if we look through here, we have the CEO office, that's great. But when we get to the... cutscene, again, the cutscene is showing me a character, which is really fucking weird. So actually, let's find out why that's happening. So cutscene is right here. Cutscene is right here. So map cutscenes is coming out for some reason incorrectly. Let's find out why. No. Yeah, look at that. Data character. Why the hell would it be a data character? Oh, is this just showing my character avatar? Because if that's the case, then this is actually correct. I think I'm tripping. Wait, what? Oh, it's showing me everything. Okay. Never mind. Cutscene is correct. Well, in that case, the only thing wrong is the scripts. So let me check this out. Maybe this is getting obfuscated for some reason. Your brother... something? You better watch. You took a screenshot of the screenshot? Nice. You also remember that you have the promo code for Flex Keys. I think Kuzo has saved it on his computer. What promo code? Do I still have a promo code live? I think I did it. I did do one for, what's his face? Game Doodle. Is that still live? I think it expired though. It expired in April. Yeah, sorry. No promo code. I did have one though. It's because I didn't want him to pay for the flex keys that he, commissioned with the extra colors. Your brother watches me? Oh. Watch me on Roblox. Watch you on Roblox too. But like it can, you put it in the live stream, your username. Oh, okay. Whoa, what a throwback. I think it had no, I think it was only be able to use it once too. I think it expired already. Well, we haven't done this in a really long time, guys. Not only because Indie doesn't show up as much, but I don't know, everybody forgot about it for some reason. But it's the best time of the night. Welcome to Scotch time. Stand by. That was my bad. All right, I'm back. Hey, cheers, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Worst day of the week. But I'm actually a little bit happy that's Tuesday because I've had a lot of work. Oh, and I have cuts in my mouth. Fantastic. A lot of work, so I need more days. Cool. Did you get what you need? I love to play Roblox. Did you? You got the... You already friended me and stuff? You good to go? Okay. Fantastic. Taco Tuesday's good. You can't knock Taco Tuesday. But Tuesday, it's like you don't still have the high from the weekend. You know what I mean? So you're already over that. Because Monday's a little bit better because you just had the weekend. But then you still have 3 more days of work after that. You just watch someone shave their leg hair, put glue on their face, and put their leg hair on their face. And Indy, don't worry about not showing up so much. I understand you're moving and stuff. I will never hold anything against anybody, but I do like to talk shit, so. How dare you, is what I'm trying to say. That's gross. That's really gross. Oof. I constantly try to get the hair off my face, so I can't imagine trying to add more. What was I doing? Yeah, what the hell? Okay, we tried this out. What are we getting? We're getting a string. Nothing. Okay, so we need to figure out why we're getting nothing. So let's go back into the var dump central here. We'll go back into here. Now, I know for a fact, oh shit, that we should be getting some stuff here. So let's check explore point. Because the problem is, this is also screwing with the other one. So something's going on here. Let's go here. Level select. Oh, look at that. Well, that would explain it. It's not even getting hit. Okay. So we're not hitting the style scripts, even though we're here. Oh. Did I screw up? Has this always been screwed up? Wait, what? I don't have... Wait, what? I'm so confused. Hold on. Did I never change these? How long have I had these? This is wrong. The plugin dirt path is wrong. So that means none of these should be working. What the hell have I been... Oh. Okay, hold on. I need to see what this path is. This is gonna solve everything. Whoa, this is actually a big mistake. I'm surprised anything worked. Okay, so we have... The path is... Include... Explore class? Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, no. This is it here. Okay. Oh, here it is. Here it is. At public, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I have to get rid of these. That needs to go. And then we should be good. Okay, so this needs to go. This needs to go. I'm still very confused. None of this should be working. Oh, well, this is the API. No wonder. Okay. So that's why this wasn't working. Wow, I never changed these. I'm so dumb. I am a Dumas, as it is known. Alright, shit, this should work now. And I'm so confident I'm just going to try it. We should see a table up there now. It worked! That's exciting. That's exciting. Because that means level selection works now. It also means that any level changing works. Fantastic! So you already got me on Roblox, but I deleted it. But my brother wanted you on Roblox. So can you try to put our username on the live stream? No. What do you mean? You want me to put your username on the live stream? But my brother wanted you on Roblox. So can you try to put our username on the live stream? What does that mean? You want me to go on Roblox and show your username? Is that what you're saying? Do you remember when you were Times Person of the Year and Top Grandmaster? Yes. I do remember that. If you test your code, that just means you're a junior developer because it shows you don't believe in the code you write. Correct. Yes. I barely test anything. Oh, yeah. It's right here. Oh, I just took that screenshot. This one right here. Pop. There it is. Let me know when I can take it down. I will give you 10 more seconds. 9. There you go. Jeopardy. Screenshotting system in Apple, but the keyboard shortcut is a bit weird. Yeah, it is weird doing the command option or command shift 4. Like that's the one I usually use, but then there's the command shot 5 where you can like control it like this, which is kind of cool. Wait, what? I guess you can record like that too. And there's the command shift 3 that just takes a full screen. So there's a few different versions of it, which I thought is kind of cool. After you Okay, now I did. Nice. Sweet. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll friend you. You know the feeling when your name is Orbem Order? I do know that. I am Orbem of the Order. Trademark. Pending. Okay. Hey! That means we're done. We got mother effing level selection fixed. Oops. I went too far. So that means that, so now you have this nice level selection process. You can go boop. Okay, cool. Actually, I gotta fix that. Because I thought this was breaking. I put a logic into the level selection that if it's not the first area. Right. So let's actually get rid of that. I don't need that anymore. Oops. There we go. So here's the level selection right here. Grinch PJs and has headless. What? Oh, got it. Good to know. Alright. Let's try it now. Level selection. Go. Compile. Try again. Level selection. Go. Why is it not going? Why do you hate me? It should be switching to the default. Oh, that's weird. What the fuck? Oh, area is not defined. What did I do? Oh, did I delete area by accident? I did. I'm an idiot. That's my bad. I meant to just delete first area, but yeah, I don't even have that in here. I'll be here when you get back. Alright, level selection. Go. There we go. Look at that. And the images are correct. Oh, this is money. Money. Here we go. See if we can get it. First try. Come on. No. Almost there. We got this. Yeah! Come on, let's go. All right. Okay, well now we have nothing to do. Just kidding. Level selection was very important though, so that's great. Let's push this up to la production. And let's fix production. I need to redo all of Salverson's cutscene, message, you know, talking. I need to add more people. I need to fix Graham's coloring on all this stuff. I mean, there's a lot of asset stuff I need to work on. But functionally, level selection was the last dev mode thing I really needed to work on. Orbem, you should really consider changing your first name to Orbem and your last name to Order. Or maybe even first name Orbem, your middle name Order, and your last name TM. Yeah, that'd be good. I'll consider it. Trademark and legal name. Grrr. Push. You figured out how to do special symbols a while ago? Oh, nice. Looks like a G-zip. You just G-zipped your face. Fantastic. Oh shit, we forgot to change the category. Like I always do. Hey, they're offering 2K now, streaming. That's kind of cool. I could be a beta tester, but I don't want my face that clear. It's already too clear. Very nice. You're killing it with those. You're making my computer look broken. EM dash. Ooh. Ooh. Nice and long. That's what she said. Wait, stream avatars. Why you no move? Okay. I was thinking about starting to add stream avatars into the game so that every time I'm streaming and whoever joins the Twitch stream, their character will just be like a wandering NPC in the game. I thought that'd be funny. Could definitely do it. I mean, I already have stream avatars running on a page, so I could just make you load as a explore character on every page and you're just kind of walking around. It'd be cooler if you could put a little command into Twitch and you could actually like make a little talk bubble show up on your character too. That would be fun. Someday. Oh yeah, that walking animation is so weird. The walking up animation is weird. Walking down's a little weird, but I need to fix his eyes. Yeah, it's gonna bug me. Alright. Let's go ahead and... yeah, get out of here, Carol. Yeah, get out of here. Go in your... hey, that's my office, Dick. Alright, let's... I feel like fixing his face real quick, because it's bugging me. You! I must fix your face. Actually, let's go to the actual PSD. If I may. How do I do that? I know I saved it somewhere. I think it's like Graham walking down or something. No, it should be in here, I think. Allow. No. Oh yeah, here we go. We're getting more now. Graham. I guess I could just look up walking down, maybe. I got the GIFs. Here we go. Is this the old one or the new one? Yeah, there we go. His face is weird. Shoot. I just realized I don't actually have his face fixable in this. Whoa, that's kind of cool. I'm doing well. Puzo Kuzo Luzo Humo. Shoot. Yeah, I just remembered I can't actually fix his face. I'm gonna have to actually remake the animation itself. I can change the coloring though. So let's see. The coloring is a little yellow. So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna get to his weird stare. Let's see if we can color correct his face. Whoops. Yeah, I do too. Look at right in his pocket. Hey, when he's like this far out though, you can't see shit. That's what I'm banking on. Okay, let's add a... I need a layer. I need to insert a layer. Okay, stop walking. I need to insert a layer. There we go. We'll use color balance. Or no, let's use hue to saturation. Let us bring in the color correction to the top. Yes, there we go. And let's see if we can get this working. So it's just a little yellow. Yeah, so let's go the other way. More like that. Let's go down on the saturation maybe. That's looking better. It's still a little yellow. Yeah, it's too much now. It's pretty good. Let's move them around just to see. Yep. Oh yeah, it's 1,000 times better. Still think I can go a little redder though. Let's try that. The only problem I have with the keyboard is that you press down on the D key with barely any pressure and it will trigger and cause a lot of... Gotta get a replacement up here. That sucks. That does happen though. Mac keyboards notoriously suck sometimes. Alright, let's export this as a GIF. Now I could go to the GIF and fix every frame. That is possible. Let's go 103, 185, perfect. And let's save over the walking down. And then let's reopen the GIF. I'll save you. I did save you. Shut the fuck up. Okay, so we saved over this. So the color is right now. But the problem we're having is that his eyes are too close together. I mean, his eyes are too far apart. So we need to actually do a little bit of face surgery. I mean, it could be that simple. Just one on both sides. Like, I think that versus that is closer to what I have going on. I still think this picture is actually wrong, so I think I'm okay with this. Now that the color's better. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, now we kind of have to fix this though, which I don't think will be as simple as spot healing. No. You know what? I'm gonna try just leaving it for now with the new color and see if that looks good enough. So let's go to Le Production. Let's go to characters. Let's go to Graham. Hi. Oh, that burns my mouth so bad. Walking down. And let's actually make a walking down static with the new one, because it's just bugging me. Ugh. I had a really bad version at one point. So this is walking down where he's just... Oh, whoops. Right. 1, 2. Wait, what? Hold on, let's just reopen. Okay, there we go. Where's the just standing pose? I don't think he... Oh, he did have one. but I kind of ditched it. That's okay. We can use this. So all I need to do is this, but with blinking. You know what? I'll just do this. We don't need blinking. So let's take this layer, which is this one. Copy that to a new one. Actually, whatever. We'll just take this and we'll make a quick blinking animation. Which will be this. What? So, in order to do this, we need eyelids. And to make eyelids, we will just draw skin on top of his eyes. Oh, I went too far. That's fine. Eyelids. And there's one. Now he has no eye. Here's another eyelid. And we'll add a little bit of shading on top to make it more realistic. I remember this being a little bit weird at first, but I think this will be fine. Whereas the dark spot supposed to be on top of your eyes? I think it's supposed to be on the bottom now that I think about it. Yo, Lorenzo! What up, bud? Welcome to the party. Graham is blinking. There we go. Yeah, that's right. And then let's put a little bit of shading up here as well. Maybe just... Wait, what did I just do? Oh, I'm on the wrong frickin' layer. There we go. Put a little bit up there. There we go. Game's going well. We just got level selection fixed. Okay, that looks terrifying. But I think it's gonna be okay. Yeah, so let's do something like... We'll turn it off here. And then we'll go a few, and then we'll turn it on. And then we'll go a few. No. We'll turn that off. That off. That off. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, it's too much blinking. Will your game come out as an exe file? I'm looking forward to playing and testing it. Hey, Lorenzo, you could play it right now. All you have to do is go to orbem.games. And it'll take you to the wonderful world of Escape to Orbem. And then you can play logged out even. You don't even have to make an account. I highly suggest making an account so that you can save your gameplay. But you can just go to orbem.games. You can click new game. Uh-oh. I think the pop-up is hidden for some reason. What is happening? Sorry, I think I broke everything. 1 second. Main character. Oh my god, is the main character? Oh yeah, that's right, that's right. This is just a cached version. You need to... Right. This is a cached version too, probably. Let me clear my cache. Main character... If you are not picked, I'm gonna freak out. Yeah. Yeah, so you can play it as I continue building it. So no need to wait. No, so yeah, the main character's selected. What the hell? Orbem.games. Continue. Well, that's continue. How do I start fresh? Orbemortar.com/escape to Orbem. Cache busted. Why does it keep doing that? What is it? Wait, what the fuck is happening? What did I do? Cannot read data set of what? Window.main character. Main. I don't know. What is happening? Got the background URL. Greeting. Yeah, error page. What the hell? Why is this busted? What did I push? I pushed something wrong. Hold on, we gotta fix this. I need production to be working. Why is local work? Why is it working when I'm logged in? Yeah, look, I already pushed up the latest. Okay, what is breaking? No, it's not gonna be a it's gotta be something. Start screen video. Start screen video. That's fine, but why is this an error page? Where's the error? Wait, WordPress error. Here we go. Die. Critical error. I broke something. I like to know what I broke. TBH. Let's try this. Yeah, it's broken. It's just saying it's a critical error. I mean, shit's loading, but what's breaking? Alright, well, let's check out the local and see if there's something we can replicate locally. Let's log out. That will help. I always think it's weird that I pull down the database. Okay, good. This is replicable. Good, good, good. What is broken though? Yeah, that is only happening because there's a fatal error. What did I just do? Okay, well, let's check the code changes I just made. So start screen. I did do all this. So that should be fine. What did I change here? Explore main character. That's fine. Main character info ID. Otherwise false. Am I using main character ID incorrectly? No. That's fine. That's fine. Main character characters. I did just fix something. Wow, I really don't know. What the hell? This is working logged in. Does that mean it's something? Is it the first area? I don't think so. Is it the area loop? I need more information. Because fatal error is not good enough, my friend. Or critical error, whatever. What the fuck? WordPress error. Die. Yeah, that's not good enough. Hold on. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This will give me more information. Aha! Explore not found. Start screen. What? Did I use Explore? Oh, I did. I definitely did. What the fuck? But Explore should be available. That's weird. It definitely should be available. Whatever. Use Explore. There we go. That's really weird. Okay, whatever. Let's push it. I don't like that. Because this is including in a file that has the Explore class instantiated. That just doesn't make any sense. Whatever. It's a new template, I guess. I mean, it lets you use variables that are outside of the template. That's why I think it's weird. That's just one of those PHP things, I guess. But, Lorenzo, as soon as this gets pushed, you'll be able to play. And yeah, there's a lot of new shit. Including a new intro video with no sound. We have some new animations that make his walking look better. Some explainers. We have new NPC wandering logic. She can also give you $50. And the wandering logic's actually really smart. I created an option now where you can make people just walk around the map. And she'll, you know, change direction randomly. She'll pause. She'll move around. She won't touch me. Like, she will no longer push me around the map. She can't. In fact, I can, like, walk behind her now if I wanted to. But, like, if she comes near me, she'll avoid me. So there's a lot more brains in her logic. And, yeah, the main thing we're working on today was the level selection, which came out pretty good. All right, this looks like it's playable again, so you can play in production now, it looks like. Grand. So, level selector, I can now choose a level. We can try out level 2. I still need to... Uh-oh. That's not good. Looks like we maintained a... How the hell did that happen? It pulled in a trigger, an explainer. Oh. Wait, our menu? Oh, I didn't think about that. That should only be showing up on the first... Oh, but they're outside of the map. I didn't think about that. Alright, well now we have something to fix. Tomorrow. So, some of the explainers are for the menu HUD, right? Or for the HUD on the screen. So I do have the option for you to add explainer tutorials to the outside of the map. That way they follow you or whatever. They're pointing in the right spot. Only problem is I didn't realize, I didn't think about it. When you go to a new area, it replaces all the items and stuff, including explainers. But this one's outside of that. That's a new thing I need to think about. I just wonder if I could have it inside of the map and still float outside. Or I need to consider this in the JavaScript as well. Okay. Well, let's do this real quick. I'm going to show off my let's show off my level selector to Weaver. All right. So we got the level selector working per your suggestion. So now when you click the level selector button on the start screen, it will show all of the level maps. And these are the actual map images, the full map images. So if you have 1,000 maps, they'll all show here in a big grid. I'm going to add the actual name of the levels underneath them. I forgot to do that, but yeah. So now you can click on the map you want to go to, and it'll take you there. And now you can try out this level. Same old, if you want to try level 2. Click it. Boop. And now you're in level 2. And all the items and stuff load. I got that working, which it was not working before. Only problem now is I need to figure out how to get rid of these explainers that show up above the map. This is like a HUD explainer to show you like about missions. Anyways, look what you created with your suggestion. All right, there we go. So we got the. We'll send this to Weaver. He'll appreciate it. Yeah, he actually was. I mean, I always wanted to do a level selector, but he kind of explained a little bit like what he thought of when he thought of the level selector, like where it's like a big, like all of the maps are available for you to see, and like you can just go to any one of them and edit them. Because the next thing that we're going to be creating for this dev mode is the wall creator. You heard me right. What did I do? What the hell? How did my video get screwed up? I just realized. What the hell? I think it's because I was using the video in the Slack recorder. Uh-oh. How do you fix that? That's weird. Welp. I guess... I mean, I could resize it, but I feel like I've done this before, and then it resizes again later on when I record again. But whatever. I guess we'll just fix it manually right now. That is a little weird. I think I was a little bigger on the phone. Yeah, I think it was something like that. There we go. Sort of back to normal. Yeah, so the next one is wall creation. I'm actually going to give you the ability to click and drag and create rectangles on the map. And now when you go into wall creation mode, it's going to zoom out the map, and it's going to allow you to, you know, click and drag anywhere on the map and like create collision points basically. So like everything you see, let me turn on dev mode. Everything you see here in red, like I'll be able to create that without using a giant SVG. So all you're going to need to create is this pretty map, and then you can add all the walls yourself. This is going to lower the barrier for people to create games, because right now the map heavily relies on creating this SVG collision thing that I create, which is really smart, and it makes it really quick. So I'm going to leave this as an option for people if they want to create maps that way, because it's, like I said, it's quicker. Hey, Erdy Airsoft. How you doing? Yeah, so it'll make it a lot easier, you know, for people to just go in and like section off places on the map. And so that means I'm going to create a brand new post type called walls. Oh, which, you know, technically we could do right now. There we go. Okay, let's actually do that now that I think about it. Let us do that. That'll be the last thing we do. Just to get started. Because I'll end up probably doing some work off stream on it. Well, we made it really easy to do that. So let's go here. Let's go, was it register post types? Let's add it to the list. The new post type is going to be explore wall. Why not? Because it's just for building walls. We'll call it walls. Very good. And in this one, all we're going to need is basically... I mean, honestly, we don't even need a title, but... Yeah, I mean, we don't even need a title. But I guess it needs a slug. So titles. You couldn't sleep last night? You just woke up? It's almost 1 p.m. Holy crap. 1 p.m. We don't need thumbnail. We don't need the editor. So it's just basically title and then, you know, the meta boxes that we're going to need to add to this. Cool. Grand. So now we have a new custom post type sitting in the old game engine. That should be called walls. Let me re-log in so I can see it. Oh my god. Let's try again. Okay, there we go. So, now we have wall. Wait, where is it? Oh, I gotta add it to the menu. Me bad. Admin menu. Explore. I really shouldn't. I shouldn't make this just part of it, but whatever. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. I shouldn't do this. Whatever. That'll work. Okay, so now I have walls. And they can create a new wall. And it has nothing. Hey, that's good. Will I be able to add stuff to it though? Let me see here. Let's create a new custom field. Now see, I want to have the globals top left. So I do want to have the globals. So that means that something is wrong. Why can't I use globals? Do I need to add something? I don't think so. So like a... Oh, I think there's like an array. Things to check. No. Wait, what is this? This is good. Triggers. Where's the metabox shit? Oh, it's in the metabox class. Oh, this is a metabox class. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is it. I forgot. I need to add to this. Wait, did I call it wall or walls? I think it's wall, right? I always did singular. Yes. There we go. So now we have the defaults. And this is pretty much all we need. Top, left, height, and width. Boom. You have a wall. And it's going to be invisible, so you don't need any images or anything like that. And maybe removing a wall wouldn't be a big deal. Might be a nice little addition. You tried to make a 3D FPS game. How hard would it be? 1 to 10. What's... Oh, first person shooter? I don't know. 10 for me. Yeah, I'm not a game developer. I don't know. I'm a game developer, but I'm not like game as in multi-games. I make one game and one game engine that I created, so I only know how to make games on my game engine. But I'm sure there's a lot of examples out there to make it kind of, you know, easier to get started. If you jump into Godot right now, there's a lot of Godot tutorials for all those kind of things. I mean, we got Dead Slap creating his like 3rd game or whatever in Godot, which, I mean, he's using a lot of resources out there just for his like his map and like how to render things into the map, physics stuff. It's great. It's good to see that. I'm going the complete opposite way, where I'm not using any resources and creating everything from scratch by myself. I'm just complaining. Anyways, hey, we have walls. So, I mean, honestly, this might just work now. I mean, I need to add it to, like, the whole explore map and stuff like that, like, as an item. Because right now, yeah, just like explainers and stuff, I need to add explore wall, you know, walls. And then I need to add it to the map item shit. Here we go, item list. Explore walls. There we go. And then what else? It needs to be part of the HTML function. I know I'm like acting as if I'm not gonna finish all this right now, and I am. That's enemies. Oh, yeah. Where's the explore points coming from? Explore points is coming from get explore points. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so I just need to add it here. And now it should kind of run its course. You're studying code actually, and you've got a partner who can help make the models. Hell yeah. Hey, you got a good start going then. Get on it. Well, let's try creating our first wall. Now, we're not going to be able to create it the right, you know, the same way that we will with the click and drag functionality, but I can go ahead and create it this way. So we have wall, and the title is going to be wall 1. No feature image, doesn't exist. And then let's get a pinpoint for this one. We're going to make it right here. So that's 2775. And this is kind of an example of how somebody would work in the game engine, you know, without having to be in the admin. And then the height and width, we'll do height 400, width 30. And the area will be default. I mean, it has its own. Wait, but let's try this. It should just be a map item wall, I guess, right? Alright, well, it didn't show up. But it should be right here. Oh, there it is. Okay. So I need to make walls blue as well. So it did work. So let's go ahead and make walls blue. Blue. Background. Yeah, here we go. So triggers need to also be data, genre, yeah, equals explore wall. And it's this easy to extend the game engine. It's completely off topic, but if you ever want to swear in game, just say shift, fug, fuck, female, dog. Shift, fug, female dog. Nice. It's good to know. Okay, cool. So that should make it visible now. Can I walk through it? Oh, I can't. Okay, so off the bat, I can't walk through walls. That is great. So if I turn dev mode on, I can now see walls. Now, can I just click and drag it? I can. Will it stay where I dragged it? Okay, well, let me let it go. That's a good sign. Let's try to refresh. And it did. Hey, walls are good to go. Fantastic. Okay. So, that being said, now that we have walls, which I think... Where's the get Orbem area function? I just want to make sure I have it in there. Get Orbem area. Oh yeah, see, I'm going to need to add this as well. Explore points. Get explore points. Actually, maybe it's part of get explore points, right? I think it is. Yes, it is. Okay, okay. So this actually should be pulling into new areas as well. Okay, so that's working. The only thing we need to do now is figure out how to do the whole click and drag. And now what that's going to do is when I put on, like, I'll make a little button here that says wall creation. Anywhere I click and drag, it'll create a rectangle in whatever shape that I want. And then when I let go, the height and width and the position of that will save to a new wall item in the wall post type. That's gonna be big, because that's pretty much like the essence of building out a game, you know, with barriers and stuff like that. And that'll allow me to create on-the-fly walls really easily. I mean, this is pretty good. Like, right off the bat, I can go here, and I can be like, you know what, this actually needs to be 40. Maybe even 50. So you see now the wall is a little bit thicker. And now I can move this to, like, be an actual wall. So, like, this will work already with the functionality I have, but if you're in wall creation mode, I want it to zoom you out, and you could just go through here and be like, and I could really, like, churn out a lot of levels that way, which will allow me and anybody else who uses the game engine to create maps much quickly. Yeah, I'm calling them walls because they're walls, but yeah, barriers. Because right now, these are my barriers. These are my walls. I'm using this SVG map. But like, all these little items inside here, I wish I had more control over them. Because like sometimes I'm like, you know what, I wish this wasn't so big. Or I wish I didn't add that there. And then I have to go all the way to the Illustrator file and blah, 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 blah. Vice versa, when I add new items into the pretty map, like a desk or something like that, I want to be able to quickly add a piece, you know, a collision point for it, which I can't do without going into Illustrator and then adding it again. So while the big image saves me time when I know exactly what the full map looks like, because it's just like burp, 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 I want to recreate that rectangle creation functionality that I have in Illustrator right in the game. And that'll cut the middleman out. And like I said, it'll make it a lot easier for other people to make maps as well. So, I'll leave you guys with that. Okay. All right, everybody. Did you make a glass under the person's model? Oh my gosh. What? Yes. I did. So that's it for tonight. We'll pick up on the wall creation functionality tomorrow. I might finish it off stream if I get a hair at my butt about it. But if I don't, we'll do that. And yeah, hey, appreciate everybody's time. Let's go through the list. Who do we have today? Zach. New buddy Zach. Funk Vibe. Hanging out for a quick second. I love to play Roblox is on for a bit. Thank you so much. Who else? Urdy Airsoft. Thanks for jumping on. Hope you had have a good rest of your day. I know it's 1 p.m. for you or whatever. And yeah, we had Indy. What up, Indy? I'll catch you in the next one, my friend. Always good to have you jumping on. And hey, anybody watching in the future, thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow and all the good stuff so you can come see me in person. I love to talk. And I hope, you know, I can inspire anybody with my weird game engine and answer any questions about the industry. Because that's what I'm here for. So, see y'all in the next one. Have a great night or day or evening, whatever time it is for you. Goodbye.